Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to hide Shopify's default product details in PageFly. When you publish the page, and see it on live view, you can see the Shopify default product details you created in the theme, and PageFly sections are put at the bottom of the page. To hide Shopify default sections, please continue to watch this video. I will divide it into two cases, which are hide Shopify's default product details in Theme 1.0 and Theme 2.0. Firstly, if you are using the Theme 1.0 of Shopify, such as Debut Theme, you can easily hide the default product details in the PageFly page editor. On Page Editor, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, and click on Page Settings. In Page Settings, you will see the option to show or hide the default product details, and header, footer here. To hide the default product details section, you just need to deselect the option like this. Save the changes. Remember to save and publish the page to see the result in live view. It's great, right? If you are using a Shopify OS 2.0 theme like Dawn, you will need to make the change in Shopify admin dashboard. The first way is to access from editor page by clicking on the three dots icon on the top right, and choose Go to Theme Editor. The second way is search page ID. Let's go to the Shopify admin dashboard, then access the online store. In the theme page, hit the Customize button here. To get the page ID, go back to your editor page. You will see it in the page URL like this. You can find the page in the search bar with the page ID. Here is an example. I will paste the page ID in the search box. Next, you can hide the Shopify default section by clicking the eye icon to hide or show the sections from the theme. It's great, right? After finishing, hit the Save button and check the page on live view. Now you can see your page just as PageFly Sections. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.